Tabla.
Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we have a 14-year-old, already a Guinness World Record holder, and he's also won the national award, Pradhan Mantri Bala Shakti Puraskar of 2019, and he's also been representing India on national and international platforms in art and cultural category, and he's won numerous awards and applauds. So he's also been blessed by the President of India, Shri Ramnath Kovind sir, PM Shri Narendra Modi, and also you might know him, one of the famous tabla players, Zakir Hussain. And believe or not, he's the youngest tabla player. So let's all welcome Trupad Raj to join us. Please introduce yourself. I would like to hear from you. The people would love.
Okay, so my name is Tripuraj Pandya. I am 14 years old. I live in Mumbai, Maharashtra. I am a tabla player. I am a Guinness Book of World Record holder as world's youngest tabla player. I am also National Child Award winner, a Global Child Award 2020 winner, and also a Limca Book of Awards winner.
And tell us about your journey of learning tabla, being a tabla player.
In my family, my mom, dad, my grandmother used to sing sometimes because they have a hobby to learn music. So they sometimes sing. And when I was 1.5 years old, my grandmother used to sing in the kitchen, and I used to play the exact beats in the aluminium utensils. So from that, my grandmother noticed that I have a sense of rhythm without any training or a practice. After 2 to 3 months, I got a small dholki. I started playing it. My mother used to sing some Gujarati garbas and some folk songs. So I used to play the dholki on it. And after some time, my mama got me a tabla. So when I was almost two, uh, I played tabla at 1:30 in the night, and my father recorded it. So that clip went to the Guinness World Records. And after that, I played in All India Radio and then in Doordarshan. I gave my first public performances in Somya College when I was 2 years old, and then the journey started.
How do you manage your studies and even performing?
So in this time of lockdown, it's pretty easy to manage time because there is no pressure of studies or classes. So nowadays, I try my best to practice almost 3 to 4 hours a day. But during the school, I used to wake up at 5 a.m. and then practice 1 hour, then go to school, come back, practice 1 hour, then go to my classes, then go down to play, do my homework and that other stuff, and then practice 1 more hour. So at that time, it was difficult.
It's definitely different from how it was in 2019 and 2020. Before, when we had our normal schools, we used to school, come back, work on our stuff. And how was the experience meeting the president and the vice president of India? How special was that moment for you?
So till now, I have given more than 250 public performances, and I have played tabla in many places like Lucknow, Delhi, Gujarat, Punjab, and lot of places. So my experience meeting the Prime Minister and the President of India was very great. Yeah, it was pretty exciting.
And so you've also received the blessings, which is more important. So name your favorite or the your favorite tabla player who has inspired you, whom you feel that you have to become like them one day.
So first of all, I want to create my own identity by playing tabla. I don't want to be like them when I grow up. But I have been listening Ustad Zakir Hussain ji sir for many years, and even my guru Pandit Nayan Ghosh sir also inspires me and motivates me to play tabla and practice more.
You're already inspirational at the age of 14. Imagine how big you will be, how famous you will be when you grow up. You have a great future. All the best for that. I'm giving you a situation now. You are in a very big event where you have to perform. So you screwed up or you messed up. So how do you handle those situations?
When I do some mistakes in my performances, I think I practice more and focus on that because if we do a mistake of a single beat or a single matra, then everything's done.
Yeah, definitely, because we can correct our mistakes, but we can't replace them, which is something I notice now when you're talking is that. And any message you would like to tell to budding musicians or children who wanted to learn tabla, who are very inspired about it, and children who feel that you are inspirational to them.
The people who want to learn tabla, you just need two things: practice and patience. Because if you practice and if you will have patience, then you will definitely play good music. And the people and I would like to say that just do what you like and master it, and it will soon become your profession, and your dreams will come true.
In whatever field you are in, fashion, mainly in music, patience and practice is more important. It is an art, it is a culture. And what is your dream? What are your future plans? What would you like to be in your future?
So I want to become a Indian classical tabla player when I grow up, and I just want to practice tabla. I want to improve on it every single day, and if this happens, then automatically I will become a good tabla player in the future.
So when we start, initially it has also happened to me as well. When you start getting into the field, you face challenges and then only you learn and you grow up to be successful. So what are the challenges you faced in this journey?
Right now I'm just 14 years old, so very less challenges, but for me it's very crucial because this is a time which is crucial in every person's life. So in this time people need to work hard, practice more at what they are good at, and achieve their goals. And for me the most challenging thing was to maintain my own time schedule, because even I love to play. I i am even and I also study and I play tabla. So there are three things. So I need to manage my time, and I need to sometimes sacrifice something. So that's very hard for me to do.
What are your other hobbies? What do you normally do at your house?
So my other hobbies are just to play sports. I play cricket, football, basketball, and I just love playing basketball. I'm also a school team captain now in the basketball sport, and recently our school won a second prize in the basketball championship, which was held in Don Bosco School. Basketball is my hobby, and I love to play it. I play it in my building, my school.
Other than being a musician, a performer, an award-winning artist, you were also a school team captain. You won prizes with your school. You're also put into basketball. That's really great.
So please like, share, and subscribe Hasini's YouTube channel. She's doing a great work, and please support her too.
Thank you so much for being here, interacting with me, having a lot of fun. I learned a lot, getting to know more about you. And people who are watching this, if you find this video is interesting and inspirational, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe. And if you do want more content like this, please comment and text us. If you know a child who's so inspirational like Tirupat, and please share it with us. We'll love to interview him or her. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications because you don't have to miss me interviewing another child like this. And until then, I'll see you next week. This is Hasini signing off. Bye bye.